Jeff McManus. I'm the director here of campus grounds and landscaping. There's key times when you really want to shine and put your best foot forward. One of those is commencement. When we celebrate our graduates and what they've done and what they've accomplished, and everyone's here to celebrate and have a good time, and they want to take a lot of nice pictures. And so that's something that's important in our department, is to make sure the campus has its best foot forward. The vision of where we're going is to create an aesthetically beautiful campus, environmentally friendly. A big part of that landscaping that people don't often think about is 62% of prospective college students who come to a college campus will make a decision in the first few minutes based on the appearance, if they're going to go to school there. So really the landscaping is all about recruiting and getting people to come here and feel comfortable, relaxed, and to enjoy their time in this space. One of the things that we're doing here, if you see behind me, is the loggia. We really simplified our approach. We tried to go with one color. And of course, we're UT orange, right? And so you can see our beautiful marigolds in the background. Instead of coming in with 7 or 8 variety of plants in there, we've gone with a solid look to give you that sense of you have arrived at UT. When you come coming out of Maine and we're facing the Capitol and the South Mall, what is it that you see? You want to see the dome of the Capitol. And so one of the things that we're being sensitive about is how we frame that. And so our trees, we want to make sure that we're taking care of them, but we're also pulling those trees back, and so that we can see that view of the Capitol. If you'll notice some of the hedges here too, some of our hedges have gotten pretty banged up, and that happens over time. So we're going to be replacing these hedges as well this summer. The studies show that having plants around is very therapeutic to human nature, and it's something that people crave, especially in the city area. So we're very blessed to have these trees. As we look over my shoulder, we'll see Battle Hall. We recently just put this under construction and changed out a lot of the plants in the front, created a beautiful backdrop with crepe myrtles and some roses there, and then some of our native Yopon hollies as well in the front. We have a lot of begonias here that are planted, our seasonal color that'll look really pretty this summer. That'll give us a nice pop as we come up through this area. And if you see a nice defining space, brown is brown, green is green. And so you don't want the two areas mashed or mixed together, you want it well defined. And so you see here the bed lines are really well defined. That's a little thing that most people don't pay attention to, but we try to watch that and make sure that those spaces are very well defined and clean, and it makes us feel safe. It makes us feel like things are manicured and things are taken care of. Currently we're standing here at Turtle Pond. It's one of the unique special spots on campus right here next to the main tower. We have recently added irrigation into this area, so we have some nice new turf grass that's here behind me. We've also put in some fresh mulch here just in time for commencement. And then of course you have the reflective pond with the turtles. One of the upgrades we did in Turtle Pond, there's new stone around to help keep the walls in, keep it defined, and then some new plants were added as well. We want this to be one of the most special, most beautiful campuses in America.